If you have this and this, you can make this. Hello, I'm Kari and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be turning a simple paper bag and some recycled paper into gorgeous autumn-inspired backgrounds for your journals. If you enjoy crafting as much as I do, make sure to watch until the very end. It's such an easy project. First, I cut the paper bag and recycled sheets into neat rectangles. For the first tile, I paint a piece of the bag with acrylics in rich autumn shades, brown, yellow, orange, with touches of green and red. Once dry, I decorate it with some lovely stamps. Pumpkins, a fox, acorns, mushroom, all in different colors for a cheerful look. For the second style, I use wrapping paper, again with acrylic paints, and then add autumn leaves using a stencil. Quick, simple, and so effective. And for the third, I got back to the paper bag with a stencil and a spatula. I applied decoupage paste to create raised leaves. Once it's dry, I paint them with metallic shades. I use gold, brown, and a little bit of green shades. The effect is stunning. The leaves catch the light beautifully, just like a true golden autumn. I'm so happy with how this turned out. If you made it to the end, let me know in the comments what you think of this idea. And don't forget to subscribe for more cozy journaling inspiration. See you in the next video.